everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. Today I am doing like a second chance type video where I am giving the MAC foundation a second chance, but this is not the Studio Fix matte foundation that I had with before. This is NC45 Prolonged Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and I've decided to also give the NARS bronzer a second chance. I have it in a different shade. I have Laguna 4. But before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure your notification bell is turned on. Without further ado, let's get into this video. If you watch my MAC video, then you know that the shade was not the right shade. I got the matte foundation that was not the right finish. It was just a complete chaotic tryout. So I did get a different type of MAC foundation. And then also when it came to bronzer, the Laguna 3 that I had from NARS was not the right shade. So I went and got Laguna 4. So I figured that I would just, you know, show you guys what I look like, and hopefully that they work out. So I have the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in NC45. I kind of figured like I should have got this in NC44 or 44.5. But if it don't work, I'm going to keep it and I'm going to finesse it because I'm not exchanging this again. And then for bronzer, I got the Laguna 4, and you'll definitely see it's a different shade. And I have swatched it before. This is a tad bit dark in my opinion, but I prefer dark than light. At least I can finesse this. As you can see, it's doable. It kind of has like a pinkish peach undertone in my opinion. So I feel like I can add more to it. I kind of need to clean up my brows. Yeah. So this is what it's looking like thus far on me. You can still see dark spots here and here and right up in here, so I can build it up. But I want to clean up my brows first. Okay, sometimes my brows want to act right, sometimes they don't. This one is lower than this one, and I mean, it's just, it is what it is. So I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation to kind of build it up and see what it do. Okay, so this is the foundation application. Now, before I do concealer, I'm just going to use the Laguna 4 bronzer. And let's see what it does for my face. As you can see, it's definitely darker than Laguna 3. I really like the finish of this bronzer. I kind of went ham on this side, but I can fix that. But I like this color. So this is Laguna 4 on my face, and I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and then come back and give you my final thoughts on the foundation and the bronze. Okay, so this is the final look using the MAC Prolonged Foundation Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in NC45, and using the NARS Laguna No. 4 bronzer. I like the way my look came out. I have no complaints. So have you used that foundation before? If so, let me know how you like it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.